This is a circle. Circle. I see another circle. Can you draw a circle? Good job. Circle. This is a triangle. Triangle. Can you draw a triangle? Triangle. This is a square. 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 Is this a square? No, this is a soccer ball. It is the shape of a circle. This is the tip of a house. It's the shape of a triangle. This is a stop sign. It is the shape of an octagon. Octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 octagons. Can you point up? Can you say up? What about down? Down. Do you see something yellow? The color yellow?
Right over there.
Yes, I see a yellow sun, a yellow shirt, a yellow bike, a yellow banana, and a yellow backpack. Yellow. Good job. Quack, quack, can you name some shapes?
There's a square, triangle, circle, rectangle, pentagon, and oval. There's some shapes. Name some shapes.
Whoa, you're pretty smart, Quack Quack. Thank you. Okay, let's go over some letter sounds. Can you repeat after me? All right, let's do it. A, A. B, B, B. C, K, K. D, D, D. E, E, E. F, G, G, G. H, I, J, J, J. K, K, K. L, L, L. M, N, N, N. O, A. P, P, P. Q, Qu, Qu. R, R. S, S, S. T, T, T. U, V, V. W, W, W. X, X, X. Y, Y, Y. Z, Z, Z. Good job. You are doing such an awesome job. Let's keep learning. I see a big old elephant. Now I see an itty bitty mouse. Small mouse. I see a big truck. Now I see a small car, a little car. I see a big circle. Now I see a small circle, a little circle. Triangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, circle, pentagon. What comes next? A triangle. This is night. This is day. Night. Day. Now let's go over some numbers. This is the number 0. This is number 1. 1. This is number 2. 2. Number 3. 3. Number 4. 4. Number 5. 5. Number 6. 6. Number 7. 7. Number 8. 8. Number 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. And the number 20. Good job. Can you tell me which one is windy? Point to which one is windy.
Right over there.
You got it. That's windy. Which one is cloudy and sunny? Cloudy and sunny.
It's that one.
Good job. That one is cloudy and sunny. We love learning with you. We hope you keep learning and growing with us. Repetition is important, so show this video to your little one often or daily. Don't forget to subscribe.